In today's video, I will show you how you can turn or make your website multilingual. For example, right now this is my website. It's available in the English. All the content is right now in the English. But when I click here on this button, you can see a lot of the languages will start appearing. And if I going to select any of these, for example, let's select the Japanese. My content for the website will be turned into the Japanese without losing any content quality or the information. And with this, I am also targeting the lot of the regional traffic here. And here's the best part: for all the languages it is going to turn your website, it is also going to make the subdirectories as well. So with this, your website that turn into that language is it is going to different to your main website language here. So, and I am also going to target a lot of the regional traffic. I am going to rank on the regional searches, and AI also going to just cite my website or suggest my website for these languages searches as well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about MultiLipi. With the help of, you can just make your website multilingual, and with the help of it is going to also give the LLMS and the schema markups for your website. So AI also can cite your website in the Gemini, the Grok, the Claude, or the AI overview by the Google here. So not only you are going to start ranking on the search engines for the regional languages, but you are also going to cited and be suggested by the different AI models as well. And if I scroll down below, for this thing to add on your website, you don't need any coding at all. You just need to follow up the 4 simple steps. Without any coding skill, you can just use in the different kind of the website. Whether your website built on the WordPress like me, you can use it for the Wix, Shopify, and the Webflow. You have to just simply install its plugin, and after that you have to just link it with the MultiLipi account, and right now you are easy to use it. You can see my website is right now available in the different languages like this one. And if I want to add more languages, I can add it from here. It has, I think, 100 plus languages available on its dashboard, and you can just with a single click edit here, and then your website will be turn into that languages. It is also going to add the subdirectories, so means the website you are going to create for the multilingual is it different compared to your original website here. Now if I scroll down below, you can see this LMM optimizations. It is going to add the schema markups and the text that will let the AI crawl your website in those languages. So whenever it's going to someone going to ask in their regional language, for example, if someone ask it in the Russian language, it is going to give the higher chances your website appear on that language, and AI also going to cite or the going to suggest your website. This is the LMM analytics. It will show you how many the crawls you got for your website, and you can see for my website I am like 100% crawled here. You can see 829 visit by the cloud. So this is not only going to just give the features for the transcriptions or the translations, it is also lets you easily get the analytics on the page views, how many the crawls you got, kind of this stuff here. Then this is the AI mode. This will let to get the vulnerability detector. If your website has any vulnerability, it is going to give you, like I want to see if I have any vulnerability in the English. So I will click here on the analyze, and now it will, okay, for it is asking me to analyze any of the link. I am going to analyze my sub page. Okay, and now it is start analyzing, and soon you will get the detailed report what kind of the vulnerability or the issues you are facing on that language of the subdirectory here. You can see I am just getting the one critical issue, that is the multiple title tags. And if I scroll down below, you can see all these multiple title tags. So I need to remove these ones. I need to make sure that there is only the one title tag is available. So I will just right now ignore it, but later on I will solve it out. Then this is the AI model settings. So here it is going to automatically generate the description or overview for your website. The tone of your website is going to select. By the way, you can also select manually here. And this is all the overall settings here. So right now, let me give you detailed information about this platform, how you are going to install in your website with the detailed step-by-step configuration setup. I will show you the ways you are going to just configure on your website like I have added here with the different languages. So let's get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and this is the SaaS Guru YouTube channel where I talked about a lot of the SaaS tools, AI tools, software. So if you want to stay updated, make sure you subscribe this channel. Now let me go to the website here. So first of all, on your website you have to just install this tool here. So let me go to the dashboard or simply go to the plugin section. I am using the WordPress. So if you are familiar with the WordPress, simply go to the plugins and add plugin, and after that here you have to search the multi Lipi. This platform name is the MultiLipi here, and you will easily find out. So once you got it, simply install and activate, and after that you have to go to the this section, that is the MultiLipi on your left side, and here you have to give the API key. So how you are going to get this API key? First of all, this is the official website. Whether you have to gets its account or the subscription that is available in the monthly or the yearly subscription charges. You can see this is the pricing here, but my platform, but no worries, because this tool is also available on the lifetime deal on the app. So starting from the $79, and look at the reviews, it's got almost the 50 reviews. So before actually buying or trying it, this you can read out the reviews and check out what its previous users have to say, whether they are satisfied or not. So you can scroll down, you can see what are the claims, the features that I have already told you. So no worries. And here's the thing that we need to consider: we have to get its lifetime deal, any of these licenses. So what I suggest, go with the tier 1, because here on this, even for the tier 1 plan, we have the 4 languages that we can make our website into those ones. Okay, and if you want more than 4, you have to go for the higher plan that will also include the higher translated words as well. So I think tier 1 or the tier 2 or 3 is sufficient for anyone. So once you got the any of the lifetime deal, by the way, I have given the link in the description, so make sure you check it out. Plus I am also giving out the free bonuses for the different SEO tools or the guides that I think you should not miss out. So make sure you check out the description. Now let me go to the dashboard here. So this is the MultiLipi dashboard. Let me back here, and the dashboard, first of all, it will ask you add your domain that you can add as the project. So simply click here on the new project. It is ask your brand name or the website name, and after that you have to simply give your website domain name, and that's all. It is going to analyze and everything fill up automatically. You have to just select few things like what is the your category or the niche of website, that's all. And once you have done that, it is going to open up like this. In this first tab, it is show you the translations. Go to the languages, and here you have to simply click here on the add language. Now you have to select all those languages that you want to turn your website into. Like for example, I have added all these languages, and once you have added that, it will start as soon as possible start translating the word or start translating your website. You can see my website is fully translated into these languages here. Okay, if I want to do any changes, simply click here. Right now you can see this is the Hindi language, and if I click here on the editor, it will redirect me here. Like I want to change few text, like this is search for, this is continue. If I want to just make any other changes to these words, I can easily edit here. Okay, no worries. Now let me back here, and if I go to the URLs, you can see this is the URL. This is the basically the links wise you can see here. And even I want to do any changes in these links, I have to simply go to click here on this visual editor, and now this is going to open up the visual editor here. Right now this visual editor is this for, that is the Hindi subdirectory. Okay, and once this is load up, it will show you how this website looks like. Okay, right now you can see I don't want to see this word into this into this word. Okay, so I want to change, like I can add it here. So that's how you can add, and once that thing is saved, it will be the automatically saved on your website as well here. For example, if I click here on the Hindi, because my website and the recent change I have done in the Hindi, once the website is load up, you will see that it will start appearing or showing up the words that how I want to show up, that I have done here in the visual editor. In the visual editor, you can see I have just added or changed this word with the hot. Okay, and now let me see. So still this is loading up. So once, or like you have just translated your website, and this is the first time, if you are going to open up, this is going to take some time, so make sure you give the time. So it is not changed. Let me see why. Yeah, let me first make it save. Here you can see, and I am going to refresh the page again. So because I have done the refreshment of the page, it is going to again take some time after the just first time or the second time I have done the editing here. Okay, but it is going to show you the way here. Okay, so while this is opening up, let me talk about the other features as well. So this is the visual editor I have showed you. Save and continue. Let me, okay, yeah, for again you can see from here you can select the different languages, and then after that you will be able to change or visually edit all these pages. So this is open up, and again you can see this is not showing up the word here because this is the, I think, the cache problem. I am using the different cache plugins, that's why this is the thing. But once I disable the cache, the word start appearing up. No worries, this is not the big issue. Okay, let me scroll down below. You can see this is the glossary. Here you can see my website is mostly available in the language that is the English, and this is the translation memory, and this is the best part, LLM optimization. Basically here I am going to optimize my website for the different AI models. Okay, it is let you to easily make your website callable by those AI or the LLMs. Okay, so simply you can see this is the website that you have generated in the different languages, and you have to click on the generate LMS. Okay, and this will going to just implant the schema and the text files for your website. This is the analytics that lets you get like how many the crawls you got by which AI model here. So it is easily lets you get the analytics. This is the statics. It will get you the page views, the translation requests, or the character consumption here. Okay, so right now I got around the 11 page views in the Hindi. In the English I got the 9. In the Japanese I got the 4. Okay, so with this you are easily getting the page views and the analytics part. Okay, this is the AI model where I can easily see is there any vulnerability or the issues on my any sub page here. Okay, this is the AI model setting that I have already talked about. This is the project setting. Here you can enable the few of the things like the slug translation. Okay, the RLT support, enable language switcher. Okay, if you want to enable the language switcher, you can do that. With this you are going to add this button on your website here. Okay, so if you want to disable it, you can just disable it, and this is going to remove this button out of your website. Now let me back. You can see this is the language redirection. Okay, use on-site translation or redirect to your language specific page. You can do that. This is the query, and this is LMM or optimization I have already talked about. This is the page views limit, words limit, all this stuff. This is setup here. It will show you, and here you are going to get your API key in this setup here. Simply get the copy and get back to here and simply paste it, and once you save the changes, simply click on the sync data, and then that's all. In just few steps your website is ready to be converted in any language what you desire. This is the language switcher. Basically you are here, you are going to design your button. So right now you can see there are the lot of the layouts or the buttons available, and then we have the display options, we have the positioning or the all the stuff, visual styling, all this stuff here. This is not that much of big. If I scroll down below, you can see the translation execution. So what are the words or what are the things you or the URLs you want to be excluded that you don't want to be translated, so you can add those keywords or the add those URLs here, and this will make those out of your translation. So this is all the things I have talked about the MultiLipi. I have showed you how you can install it on your website. I have showed you how you can connect it with your MultiLipi account, and I have showed you how you are going to make your website into different languages. And this is all the things I have to talk in this video. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description. Make sure you don't forget about the bonuses I am giving out along with the MultiLipi. So if you are going to buy it, just send me the billing of this buying, and I will give you the bonuses. You can check out all the information in the description. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.